Hi, my name is Pedro and this is On My Function. This is the video number 3 of a series I'm creating to teach you data visualizations. So if you didn't watch the last one, please go watch it now. D3 is basically the bedrock of the data visualization world on the web. It was created by Matt Bostock to be used as grammar for data, and it has an interactive way of doing things and a chain syntax that is very good to create simple and complex data visualizations. Let's see how it works. So in this case, I'm going to use Code Sandbox to create Vanilla Sandbox to actually load the JavaScript inside of it, and we have a good visualization on the right. So yeah, here I don't need these things and I don't need these styles, and here I don't actually need this div. The way that D3 works is that first you have to import it, right? So I'm going to import D3, and D3 doesn't export by default anything, so you have to import everything as D3 to use it. So import everything as D3 from D3, and I could actually only import select in my case, but let's go with import everything. That's not very good for tree shaking, but for the matter of this explanation, it's good enough. So first of all, I'm going to create an SVG. So as I said, D3 is very interactive. So what I need to do first is actually select something. And in this case, I'm going to select the body. And on the body, I'm going to append an element called SVG. And this element is going to have two attributes. So it's width and height. First, I'm going to put attribute of width as 300 and the attribute of height as 200. I don't see anything here because this SVG doesn't have any color or anything, but let's then get this SVG and append an rect, that is rectangle, and this rectangle is going to have attributes like width, that is going to be, everything is a string, so it's going to be 20, and the height attribute height as 20, and yeah, I want the attribute fill to be orange. So here you can see that I have an SVG that is 300 by 200, and inside of this SVG I've added a rectangle with a width of 20 pixels and a height of 20 pixels and a fill as orange. This is the way that D3 do stuff. It's interactive, so you select it and then you append something, you set the width and the height, and that's how it works. I know I didn't explain much on this video, but this is just to explain you the principles of D3. That is basically that it's interactive and you have to tell it what it needs to do before it does something. On the next video though, I'm going to add data to it so it gets more interesting and you will be able to do something useful with it. So stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.